Common Yoga Protocol. Yogic practice shall start with a prayer or prayerful mood to enhance the benefits of practice. The common yoga protocol can be broadly categorized into 4 categories, namely standing postures, sitting postures, prone postures, and supine postures. Furthermore, these broad categories have subcategories. For instance, standing postures include Tadasana or palm tree posture, Padahastasana or the hands to feet posture, Ardha Chakrasana or the half wheel posture, and Trikonasana or the triangle posture. Similarly, sitting postures include Bhadrasana, the firm or auspicious posture, Vajrasana or thunderbolt posture, Ardha Ushtrasana or the half camel posture, Ushtrasana or camel posture, Shasakasana or the hare posture, Uttana Mandukasana or stretched up frog posture, and Vakrasana, the spinal twist posture. Prone postures consists of Makarasana, the crocodile posture, Bhujangasana, the cobra posture, and Shalabhasana, the locust posture. On similar lines, supine postures consist of Setubandhasana or the bridge posture, Uttana Padasana or the raised feet posture, Ardha Halasana or half plow posture, Pavana Muktasana, the wind releasing posture, and Shavasana, the corpse or dead body posture. Apart from 45 minutes common yoga protocol, a provision has been made for leading yoga institutions to incorporate 15 minutes institutional yogic practices. For example, pranayama, yoga nidra, dhyana before sankalp as deemed fit. Common yoga protocol is a humble effort to show how yoga can influence our life, attitudes, and well-being. This invariably leads us to a very heart and soul of yoga.